Hey everybody, welcome to the video. Today I'm here to tell you about a very special guest we have for our next wholesale meeting, which is going to be June 23rd at 7 p.m. on Zoom here with Atlanta RIA, Savannah RIA, Chattanooga RIA, Tampa RIA, and wherever else Dustin's got us. So I have a very special guest. His name's Chad Bartlett, and we're going to be talking about virtual wholesaling from literally anywhere in the world. And I mean that literally because he is in Colombia, not the city in South Carolina, but the country. He has been wholesaling in the United States for several years, the last 18 plus months from Colombia. So Chad, tell us what we're going to talk about, because this is great stuff.
Frank, I'm excited to be able to share with your group. I was closing deals in my backyard and then just kind of expanded from there to be able to tap into other markets till eventually I was able to move out of the country. And just like you said, I'm living in Colombia in South America and still keeping the pipeline filled with leads. And it turns out that you can do this remotely from literally anywhere, just like you said, man. So I'm excited to share some of these little tweaks that people can use in their business to be able to, maybe they don't want to travel the world full time, but maybe to be able to do more volumes of deals by being able to do it right from their house.
Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. So think about it, everybody. He's making money and he's not even in the country and he hasn't been here for a while. So can you give us just like a tiny snippet of like just two little things?
One of the things is to really understand the value of your time and putting systems in place that will automate actions without you being there. Once you cut yourself out and realize that you're the bottleneck to growing and expanding your business, the sky's the limit. The second thing I want to share with you is this website that I use to be able to automate my mailers and return mailers so that I don't ever have to have a physical address somewhere in the States that's receiving mail, and really allows me to operate literally from South America. So if I can do it from South America, I'm sure that anybody can do it right in their backyard and then expand to different markets as well.
That's awesome. So think about it. As a wholesaler, the sky really is the limit. It's not like Chad can get in a car and go see the house. So 100% virtual, because it has to be. And not only is he doing it, he's killing it. So Chad, I'm super excited about this meeting. I'm gonna be taking lots of notes. You don't want to miss this. June 23rd, that's a week from Tuesday at 7 p.m. Again, June 23rd, 7 p.m. Go to atlantaria.com. We'll have the Zoom link up real soon. We'll be sharing this on social media. So Chad, I can't wait to see you there. And everybody, don't miss it. It's going to be awesome. Thank you.